We're talking with Cliff Schechter from We Act Radio. And Cliff, Daniel Marans is going to be talking about this a little bit longer later in the show. But I got to ask you about Donald Rumsfeld's tweet marking the 10-year anniversary of the war. He said, 10 years ago began the long, difficult work of liberating 25 million Iraqis. All who played a role in history deserve our respect and appreciation. Your reaction to Donald Rumsfeld?
My reaction is he should be in prison, is what my reaction is. He certainly should be tried for what he did there, as should the other leaders who lied. I don't understand, impeachment somehow for sex with Bill Clinton was considered a completely mainstream position, but this is supposed to be out of the mainstream to say that people who lied our way and basically went around and ignored our Constitution to get us into a war that has had unbelievable negative consequences that will be with us for a long time, and that these people, that he's even still allowed to tweet, that these guys are, that George Bush can still paint naked pictures of himself in the bathtub, from the safety of his Dallas home. What these guys did, what they wrought upon this country, the Middle East, our allies, it's hard to even put it into words. The damage they've done. And it's just amazing that Donald Rumsfeld can sit there and do that. It just shows the kinds of almost sociopaths we're dealing with. Because I would have trouble sleeping at night if I knew that I was responsible for the death of one human being, much less hundreds of thousands, if not more. But these guys just go right on with the lecture circuit and the books trying to justify what they did, and the Fox News contributorships and the rest. And it's sickening, quite frankly.
Cliff, you're the man of our times. Cliff Schechter, thanks so much for being part of the program this weekend. Have a great weekend, my friend.
Thanks so much, David. I appreciate it. You too, buddy.
Cliff Schechter, who, he speaks for all of us on this, and great stuff from Cliff as always. And folks, you heard some of my views about the Iraq war last week. I talked about the media dropping the ball, but there's so many of our political leaders who, for all the media mistakes, and there were many, the mistakes that were made by our political leaders, it is just amazing. Taking Action News continues after this.